The day in the life of a New Yorker. Bum ass Brooklyn, New York. They said we was gonna get 15 inches. Pause. We got 3. No diddy. We in this bitch though. We in this bitch. Thought it was gonna be colder. Shit, not that cold. Shit, it's not that cold. It's only 15 degrees right now. You got good blood circulation. You don't feel cold, nigga. In this bitch. We recording with the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, nigga. $3,000 for this bitch. Look how old the houses look, nigga. Shit look like we in 1970s right now. Tight shit. Coughing because we got asthma, nigga. But I ain't stopping us though. Scenery is beautiful, nigga. About to upload this shit on YouTube. Shit about to go platinum. Shit about to go platinum. They said it was gonna snow 15 inches, but that's in New Jersey. We only got 3 because we in Brooklyn. We come different out here. We in the trenches right now, nigga. We in the Jew neighborhood right now. About to go to the trenches real quick. Different right now. New York, man. Whoever like the snow shit, I don't know why you like snow, nigga. Some bullshit. Let's always stop the money flow. But as you can see, there's no fucking cars passing by in this bitch. There's a couple humans walking by, type shit. Getting the necessities. Shit's crazy. Shit's crazy. Nigga, we in Flatbush. Sorry if the camera look a little blurred. The snow is hitting on this bitch. Apparently it's supposed to snow another 2 more inches. Fib. We're gonna see what's chopping though. We're gonna see what's chopping though, man. Glass is getting fogged up. About to go get a coffee. Fib. It's a beautiful day in the hood, Nick. It's a beautiful day in the hood. Let's see if we can slide over there. Nah, this shit tragic. Can't even fucking walk this bitch. Can't even fucking walk this bitch, boy. Me. Shit look like 1970s right now. Cars could barely move. If you don't got all-wheel drive, stay home, nigga. Shit tragic. Shit tragic. Me. About to upload this 10-minute YouTube video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, nigga. We in Brooklyn right now. 1080p. Shit cold as hell. But we soldiers, nigga. We soldiers in this bitch. This is where the Jews live at. Nothing but wealthy niggas live here. I don't live here, nigga. I live in the trenches. Big ass houses and shit. You dig? Shit different. You see the humans working over there, trying to take the snow off the street. Feel me? Niggas doing what they gotta do. I'm struggling like a motherfucker. I got the leads on. Feel me? $30 for the leads. Barely could walk in this bitch. Feel me? This is what 5 inches worth of snow look like in New York, nigga. Niggas can barely walk. It's a good day to just stay home and get some pussy. Oh, cap. This shit tragic. Make sure you guys at least leave 200 likes on this YouTube video. Let's get this video to 10K views. If you want more videos like this of Brooklyn niggas, let me know. Let me know. Next video might be in Manhattan type shit. I gotta get those meta glasses too, so we can really start vlogging and shit. Yeah. So you can see the trees are dying right now. Spring soon come out, winter soon end though. There's just a little cycle to make us stronger. Yeah. We can finally walk at peace because the floor getting clear. Gotta take my glasses off because I can't see for shit. Or the snow hitting this shit. It smell like burnt, like somebody burning some shit. Hopefully that's not us. But we in this bitch though. By any means necessary, nigga. We in this bitch. Let me know if you guys want more bike videos type shit. We going to the trenches right now. Brooklyn, New York, nigga. Flatbush, nigga. Know how the fuck we coming. Finally leaving the Jews. About to go to the trenches. Where the real hitters is at, nigga. I could put some background music over this shit, but I don't know. But New Jersey has it worse. Like this shit I'm walking right now. I could barely walk over here. That's the buildings right there. Feel me? Shit different. You can see that's that Samsung quality, nigga. That's that Samsung quality, boy. Shit look beautiful. Play some basketball right there. Got that dunk on your mom's. We take off. We in this bitch. Though. It's your boy Lakitu, man. Kititu. It's your boy Kitu back in this bitch, nigga. You know how the fuck I'm coming. On me. Hope you guys enjoy this shit. I don't know if I should make this video 30 minutes or an hour. We in 10 minutes right now. You're gonna see though. I got my boy stopped here for no reason. This nigga just thinking about his next move. No cars coming. Niggas retarded. Nigga don't even know what he doing. Nigga clueless in the snow. Rookie ass nigga. That's what you call a rookie. Nigga stopped at a stop sign for like 5 minutes for no reason. This is the type of humans you deal with in Brooklyn. The stupidest humans. Well, we in this bitch though. We shiced up, nigga. Chilling right now. About to go to the trenches real quick. Holla some of the cousins shit. Shit, Brick Nina though. On me. Shit different, nigga. Oh, he about to struggle to park. Yeah. If you don't got all-wheel drive, you tight. I got all-wheel drive, nigga. Still let my whip home. My nigga picking up a passenger. Niggas is still honking on a snowy day for no reason. Like, shit is crazy, boy. Shit is crazy. We in this bitch though, man. Make sure everybody get this video up to 10,000. 10,000 views in this motherfucker. Damn. Cuz right here again. He don't got all-wheel drive, so he gotta go slow as a motherfucker. Feel me? Like struggling like a motherfucker to turn. And he don't got no snow tires. That That boy struggling like a motherfucker. That nigga still hit. This shit different though, boy. That's how we make these YouTube videos. Straight, you feel me? No cut, no nothing. Nigga, nobody could tell me nothing about recording, nigga. This is the First Amendment right, nigga. On me. Even if they call the cops, nigga. Can't tell me shit. If you don't want to be recorded, stay home, nigga. Simple as that. We in this bitch, though. Brooklyn right there, nigga. We could barely walk in this bitch. Oh, man. Think this is Flatbush or some shit. We about to walk in the streets because we could barely walk in this motherfucker. 2025 or 2026, I don't fucking know. It's all the same to me, nigga. Feel me? Just a different day, different dollar. The main streets, nigga. Feel me? We got the poles over there doing nothing. Chilling right now. Chilling right now. Can barely walk in this bitch. It's cold as hell. Should we drop 20,000 likes on this motherfucking YouTube video? Oh, man. My feet frozen, nigga. But we still get to it, nigga. Because we got good blood circulation. About to pull up in the trenches real quick. Holla at some of the cuz. We in this bitch, though. We in this bitch. Shit different. Shit different. Finally walk in peace now. Some of the humans clear this shit up. I'm gonna stretch this video to 20 minutes though. Try to stretch it to 20 minutes. My hand getting cold as a bitch. I ain't stopping us though. We Vikings in this motherfucker. We meant for this. We soldiers, nigga. We soldiers. Yeah, fuck this shit. I'm about to end this shit right now. Fuck this shit. Sure you like, comment, subscribe. Drop at least 10,000 likes on this YouTube video. You know, 5 inches worth of snow in New York, Brooklyn. And we end this bitch. Oh, me. It's your boy Key2. I'm out this bitch. We in the trenches right now, nigga.